AI is no longer just a tool, it's becoming an active decision maker. From self-driving cars to smart assistants, systems with agency are changing how we interact with technology. But what exactly is agentic AI and how does it work? Let's break it down. Traditional AI follows fixed rules. Think chatbots with scripted responses. Agentic AI, however, can perceive its environment, plan actions, and adapt its behavior autonomously. It's like the difference between a GPS recalculating a route and a self-driving car navigating traffic in real time. Agentic AI combines three key components: perception sensors or data streams to understand its environment, decision-making, advanced models like LLMs or reinforcement learning to weigh options, action executing tasks, whether moving a robot arm or adjusting a stock portfolio. Crucially, it learns from outcomes, improving over time, but only within its predefined goals. Agentic AI isn't sci-fi, it's already here. Hospitals use it to prioritize emergency cases. Factories deploy it for precision assembly. Even your smart home might use it to optimize energy use. But with autonomy comes challenges. Who's responsible if an AI makes a mistake? How do we prevent bias in its decisions? Researchers stress the need for guardrails, clear boundaries, human oversight, and transparency. The goal isn't unchecked autonomy, but collaboration between humans and AI. As agentic AI evolves, expect smarter cities, personalized education, and breakthroughs in science. But its success hinges on ethical design, ensuring it augments human potential without unintended consequences. Would you trust an AI to manage your schedule or your surgery? Drop your thoughts in the comments. For more on AI's evolving role, hit subscribe and stay tuned.